Alright, my name is Kelvin, and I will be talking about the Neolithic religion. The Neolithic era were the first signs of existence of supernatural humans that resembled godlike characteristics. These valued gods were speculated to have been a significant figure to the first settlement's society and culture. The pillars with the menacing animals and their significance have not yet been determined, but are assumed to be like a death cult or simply just a temple of fears that the inhabitants had wished to overcome. Further excavation led to the findings of stone pillars erected with particular distances from one another, with some scholars speculating that an elite class of religious leaders supervised the work and later controlled the rituals that took place at the site. The stone buildings have been determined to be strictly utilized for religious purposes due to the evidence of animal sacrifices taking place during these rituals. As mentioned in the lecture video, Catal Huyuk was the earliest settlement of the Neolithic era to be uncovered in what's known today as modern day Turkey, and is led to believe that with the findings of sculpted women were worshipped as fertility goddesses due to the large breast, stomach, and legs they were sculpted with. In some instances, animals such as bulls were worshipped by the people within Chatel Hayuk because they symbolized significance within their religious traditions and even maintained their relevance within the household of Neolithic inhabitants during the early era. As shown here in this image, the restoration of a house during the Neolithic era shows the worship of the bulls and their status of divinity. You also see a burial site in the very foreground of the image, which is important to note because the Neolithic society did not have cemeteries. They actually buried their dead within their own houses, and it was said that a house contained up to 60 bodies within that one household.